Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a little update here about my CNC. So I've replaced the servo motors with the NEMA 17 stepper motors, and they're working pretty well. And I'm using this GRBL version 5 shield on top of the Arduino Uno right here. So this basically acts as a like a controller between the computer and the stepper motors, so I can add up all the way into like three axes, yeah. So it's X, Y, and Z. I've only connected the X and Y axes right here in the stepper motors. I'm using a 12 volt 1 amp power supply. It's not enough for those two motors, but I won't be using them at the same time. So each motor should get around 2 amps, and I'm supplying like quarter of the amperage here for each stepper motor. But I will get the 24 volt 4.5 amp power supply, so that I can connect all 3 axes at the same time. So yeah, this is just a replacement until I receive my packages for from eBay. So as you can see here, I'm using the I don't know if you can see that properly, but I'm using the universal G-code sender. So yeah, so basically I can move the X-axis and the Y-axis. So I've just assigned the keyboard buttons, the arrow buttons right here, just so that I can move them at 360 degrees. It's pretty accurate. So if you see that the X-axis right here, they're at around 270 degrees for the top. So if I tell it to spin like 360 degrees, it goes all the way back to its same position, and the same thing goes to the Y-axis. I just put those on top just so that you can see them, so that you can tell that the motors are spinning. So yeah, I got an LED indicator here to tell the movement of the stepper motors. So that's pretty much it. This is the update. I will be showing the tutorial once my the rails and everything, like I get everything from eBay, because I just bought them now, and it takes time to ship them all the way to here. So I will put the tutorial into about 6 parts, and that will go into include the software and the hardware and the setup and everything. Just one more thing I would like to show to you is the visualize the visualize tab in the universal G-code sender. So basically right here I can upload G-codes and stream them. So I can see here that I got a dinosaur, and if I click if I press send, you can see that I can get a clear visualization of the dino. So I can make this into a 3D printer or a CNC cutter slash plotter. So as you can see here, the stepper motors are running. So that's like pretty cool to have in universal G-code sender, and that pretty much covers everything that you have to know about CNCs for now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As I said, I will show the tutorial in like 6 parts once I receive the packages from eBay, and that includes all the rails and everything. So have a look right here in this video to see my previous CNC attempts, which included servos, and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, see you guys. Bye.